Ariel Castro, charged with kidnapping and rape on one side, kidnapping and rape on the second, kidnapping and rape on the third, and kidnapping on the fourth.
With respect to Mr. Castro, he is waiving examination on each case.
Charges against Mr. Castro are based on premeditated, deliberate, depraved decisions to snatch three young ladies from Cleveland's West Side streets to be used in whatever self-gratifying, self-serving way he saw fit. Two of the victims endured this horrifying ordeal for more than a decade, the third for close to a decade, and the ordeal grew to eventually include a little girl believed to have been born to one of the women while in captivity. Also, while in captivity, they withstood repeated beatings. They were bound and restrained and sexually assaulted, basically never free to leave this residence. Just as suddenly, unexpectedly, and quite frankly, inexplicably as they disappeared, they reemerged, thankfully, miraculously, 3 days ago at the home of Mr. Castro. That's a home that served as Mr. Castro's residence, but his prison to these three women and eventually that child. Today, the situation is turned, Your Honor. Mr. Castro stands before you a captive, in captivity, a prisoner. The women are free to resume their lives that were interrupted, and also with the promise and the hope that justice will be served, to ensure that justice is served, to protect the victims and the community that Mr. Castro manipulated and deceived. The state is asking that bond be set at $5 million cash surety in this matter. Thank you.
Thank you.
Also, order that he have no contact with the victims or their families, whether he's out on bail or not.
Thank you very much. That's 4 cases. Bond will be set at $2 million on each case.